Well, here's Grandpa Gary back on the Jaguar project here. Today we're going to be working on the boot lid, and particularly the bottom edge. As you can see, the damage here, rust corrosion damage. The water got into the boot lid and settled into the bottom edge here, and as you can see over the years it's fairly corroded. So what the deal is here, I'm going to trim this piece out here, and I'm going to replace it with new metal, and we're going to stitch weld a new piece in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this outer edge, which used to reside right here, folded over the outer skin of the trunk lid. So that'll be a separate piece, and that'll get stitched on after I finish cutting out along this tape line here. I'll trim this out. This corroded piece will lift away. I'll cut it off right here and right here. Lift that out, look underneath, and deal with any corrosion, rust, what have you here, and then stitch weld that in. So I'll sign off for now, and then we'll once I get set up, I'll show you how I cut it out and replace this piece of metal. Okay, so here you can see the corrosion that was hidden underneath the bottom of the inner skin of the boot lid, and so that's going to get treated. There's some fairly heavy spots here, but I think I can salvage this.